Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool ROTOR Part W10754161. The Whirlpool ROTOR Part W10754161 is a replacement part for washing machines. It is a rotor assembly that helps to spin the clothes during the wash cycle. The rotor is made of durable plastic and features a metal shaft that fits into the washing machine's motor. This part helps to evenly distribute the laundry load and keep it from becoming tangled or knotted during the wash cycle. The Whirlpool ROTOR Part W10754161 is designed to fit most Whirlpool washing machines, including models with direct drive motors. It can also be used in some other brands. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn out rotor in a Whirlpool washing machine. It can help to fix issues such as the washer not spinning, not draining properly, or making loud noises during the spin cycle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the dryer from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the lint filter and lint screen from the dryer. 3. Remove the screws that secure the top panel of the dryer to the back panel. 4. Lift up on the top panel and remove it from the dryer. 5. Disconnect any wiring harnesses that are connected to the motor or other components in the dryer interior. 6. Remove any screws that secure the motor to its mounting bracket, then lift out and remove the old motor from inside of your dryer. 7. Place your new Whirlpool ROTOR Part W10754161 into position inside. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.